aguachile translates literally to spicy or chile-based water. It is the freshest, most beautiful way to eat seafood that just came out of the water. The base of the aguachile plate is gonna be fresh slices of cucumber. It has to be the garden cucumber, which is the one mostly used in Mexico. You need a cucumber that's firm. You don't want it soggy. You don't want it wrinkled. You wanna cut the ends on both sides, just like these. And Mexican cooks will always rub the tip that you cut on one side with the other side, and this assures that the cucumber will not be bitter. I don't even know if it works because I've always done this for my cucumbers. I should test one day, not rubbing the ends, but I do know that whenever I eat cucumbers, they're delicious. This is really important for the aguachile. You have to cut everything really thinly. You really want to have some fresh scallops. How do you know that your scallops are fresh? Because they need to be firm, they need to be shiny. Oh, I was gonna say, in Sinaloa, the typical way of making aguachile, like the most go-to, is with fresh shrimp. But it's really hard to get fresh shrimp outside of the beach. So the next best thing, which happens to be my favorite, is scallops. When you slice, once you start going in, and just go all the way down. If you start going like back and forth with your knife while you're slicing, you're gonna get like jagged. Did you say jagged? Jagged slices. Everything that you put in here has to be already bite-sized. This is like the perfect bite size. For me, I like big bites. Red onion is what's typically used in the aguachile. And again, you wanna do really thin slices. Sorry. Some chefs and cooks are really good at like plating beautifully. I feel like that's not my forte. And now we're going to make the aguachile, which is the marinade that has chile in it. Most importantly, you need these cute, adorable chiltepín chiles. They're tiny, super spicy, but they have so much flavor. It's gonna be about a tablespoon. This is a lot of chiltepín chiles, so this is gonna be spicy, but I do love heat. Oh, look at how pretty this looks. I mean, just so much flavor in here. You don't want the ingredients here to be like swimming in the marinade, so this is just perfect. You really want to have a little bit of everything in your bite. The scallops are sweet, the cucumbers are so crunchy, the onion has that bite. Then what we do, you repeat until you're done.